Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Asdaaf. Brand Asdaaf is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. They have been around for I think about 5-6 years, and this is the first from them that I bought. So I never bought anything from them, so I thought I'll give them a try and see how they go. So this one in particular, called Ameer al-Arab by Asdaaf, is Eau de Parfum 100 ml, and this one is, I think it's targeted to unisex, or is it for men? I think it's unisex. So as you see, big box as usual. The attention to details is always there. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are usually good value for money. They smell good. They usually are hidden gems. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So, nice big black box with a silver trimming, Ameer al-Arab, which means the head of the tribe, or the head of. Ooh. Okay, so it's one of those velvety box. So it's a black velvet box. Okay, so it's a velvety box. It's quite nice. Oh, very nice bottle as well. So this is the first from this brand. I never had anything from them. Very nice, very heavy bottle, very nice looking. And here it says Prince of Arab. This way it says Eau de Parfum 100 ml, blah 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 blah. And in the bottom we have the sticker with the information. The cap is plastic, nothing to brag about. The atomizer is modern and silver. Here we go. Very good atomizer. It gives a mist out, very good. So far so good. How is the Ameer al-Arab by Asdaaf? This one you can find it in United Kingdom under £25, 400 ml, Eau de Parfum. And here we go. First sniff, first impression. Ooh, first thing that hits me is the floral. This is very floral. So you need to like your floral first and foremost. Jasmine, definitely. Big jasmine in here. Big orange blossom. Quite white floral dominant right now. Aromatic. So I'm expecting it to be lavender. It's very aromatic right now. So apart from those white florals, we got aromaticness as well. So it's very big on the florals, in the aromaticness. It's quite sparkly and fizzy right now. Again, I'm expecting to have some pepper, maybe a little bit of mint in here. Quite a spicy kick to it. I'm detecting something like cardamom. Maybe it could be even cinnamon, but it says it's got a big spicy kick to it. I smell something else like a nutmeg. It's giving a little bit of nutmeggy. It's quite herbal and green, and I smell something like rosemary. It's quite herbal kick to it. So it's got a spicy kick to it and a herbal kick to it, which is making it very masculine. So this one is quite masculine. Ameer al-Arab, or Prince of Arab, is quite appropriate name for it. It's got a woody backbone. It's got a little bit of leathery feel to it as well. But at the moment it's not that big. It's like a suede, as the velvet shows. It's like a suede-like feel to it right now. But it's not a big leather. It's a suede-ish. But what a smell! What a beauty! So first thing first, you need to like your florals, because this is big on florals. At least for this first impression, first sniff. Definitely I smell jasmine. Definitely I smell orange blossom. Maybe there are some component in here, which I'll let you know later on with another video. Definitely aromatic, because I can smell something aromatic in here. It could be violet or it could be lavender. I'm smelling something like lavender. Yeah, it's a big lavender in here. Spicy kick to it, definitely cinnamon, definitely cardamom. Minty in the same time. It's green, it's like a herbal feel to it. It's like a rosemary, something herbal, something green, something leafy, and a little of earthiness as well. But overall, what a smell. So far so good. I give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, 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 it's up my alley. I love this kind of fragrances. I love my spicy fragrances, I love my herbal fragrances, and those aromaticness plus those floral giving it that softness. Because if it wasn't for those soft accords of soft notes, it would have been a runaway with those big spices and the big herbal aspect to it. So they balance it well with those florals and making it very appealing smell. Overall, I like it very much. I give it 2 thumbs up for a first impression. Yes, yes, yes. So you need to like your white florals, definitely aromaticness, definitely spiciness, definitely herbal, definitely a little bit of earthiness and a little bit of suede like in the background, and also a little bit of woody aspect, but the woodsy are quite clean. Probably is a sandalwood to round everything up. Yeah, very good. I feel something balsamic as well. I'm not sure where that come from. Tiny bit of balsamicness into it. Little of camphorous balsamicness to it as well. Overall, very well done. I absolutely enjoyed it. I mean, for the first impression, yes, 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 very good smell. It opened very natural. I mean, for this price point, you don't expect 100% natural, but it doesn't smell chemical. It doesn't smell harsh. It doesn't smell. It's a typical Middle Eastern fragrance. When it opens like a beautiful perfume. No harshness, no alcohol, straight to the perfume, and it's very well done. It's very rounded and it's very smooth. Overall, for first impression, yes, yes, yes. So if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. For you, it's just a small movement of a finger, but for me, it means a lot. It means you're validating my work. It means you're encouraging me. You help me to make videos like this in future, to bring you fragrances like this that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money. They smell good, and they are hidden gems. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, very mesmerizing, very intriguing, very mysterious fragrances. 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in our kingdom. In order to purchase them, I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.